In primetime news this evening, driving motorists crazy. Online car scam costing unsuspecting victims hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Principal rings the bell on stakeholders that claim suspensions are sending students into a life of crime.
And Mario Dean's mother expected to retake the stand in son's murder trial. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up in business news, we have the latest gas prices.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of The Big Show.
Thank you, Janella. Well, we told you about our junior athletes who did well at the Carifta Track and Field Championships, but also our junior swimmers did well at the Carifta Aquatics Championships as well. So we'll tell you about that and lots more a bit later on.
Thank you very much, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, with the weaker winds that we are expecting over the next few days, we do have an increase in the likelihood of shower and possible thunderstorm activity across sections of the island in the afternoons.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what more can be done to curb online scams.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.